Good morning, children. Lesson number 10, equations is going on, beta. And here we are solving an equation. Okay. So one question is given, state which of the following are equations with a variable, identify the variable in the equation. So question is, some questions are given and you have to identify which one is the equation. And if it is the equation, then what is their variable. Identify the variables. Okay, now see children, 10 questions are given and you have to identify which one is the equation, and if it is the equation, then you have to write down the name of the variable. Now see children, what is equation? Equation is the algebraic expression having the equality and it having variables as well as the fundamental operations. Means it has any variable from A to Z. Also, it is having fundamental operations, that is plus, minus, multiplication and division, and having the equality sign. Now observe the first one. 15 equals to x plus 3. Yes, 15 equals to x plus 3. It is having equality, variable, number, and one operation, that is what? X plus 3. Yes, so it is the equation. Yes, and variable is x. So here is what is the variable? X. See children, t plus 3 greater than 7. Now see, it has the variable, it has one operation, fundamental operation, but it doesn't have any equality. Is there any equality between t plus 3 and 7? No. T plus 3 is greater than 7. That's why it is not the equation. No. 6 upon 2 equals to 3. Now see, equal to sign is there. And the one operation, that is division, is there, 6 upon 2. But no variable is there. That's why it is also not the equation. Fourth one, see beta, 6 upon 2 plus 8 equals to 2p. Operation is division and plus. Both operations are there. Yes, it is having the variable p and also having the equality. Therefore, yes, it is the equation and the variable is what is the name of the variable? Alphabet. What is alphabet? What alphabet is given? P. Fifth, 6 multiplied by 2 minus 5, 27. Having equality, operations, but no variable. That's why it is not the equation. X minus 7 equals to 0. Having equality, variable, x, and also having the one fundamental operation. So yes, it is, yes, and the variable is x. Name of the variable is x. 6 and greater than 20. Variable is there, but no equality and no fundamental operation. That's why it is not the equation. 20 equals to 4y. Equality is there, variable is there, and one fundamental operation, that is 4 multiplied by y. So yes, and the variable is y. 4 minus x equals to 6. The fundamental operation minus variable x and equality. And variable is x. 3 equals to 2 into 7 minus q. Minus and multiplication and the fundamental operation, equality is there, and also it is having the variable p. Yes. And the variable is q. Got it, children? So in this way, you can identify which one is the equation or which one is the only algebraic expression. Got it, beta? Okay. So write down some fill-ups in the question, fill in the blanks. Minus x then x equals to dash. So you have to solve here. 15 minus x equals to 4. So x equals to So here you have to find the value of x here. So let's find 15 minus x equals to 4. So we will subtract 15 from both the sides. 15 minus 15 minus x equals to 4 minus 15. Okay. Plus 15 minus 15 get cancelled. Minus x equals to minus 11. Now see children, variable should not be negative. So we will multiply this equation by negative minus into minus plus x and minus into minus plus 11. So what would be the answer of this? 11. Second, letters used to represent numbers are called dash. So children, so in the equation we are using the letters or we are using the alphabets from 1 to Z, and that alphabets are called variables. X equals to dash is the solution of the equation to x plus 6 equals to 11. So children, here you have to solve this, and after solving this, write down the answer. So let's solve this equation. X. So here we have to solve it in the page. 2x plus 6 equals to 11. So we will first remove plus 6 from this side. So we will take opposite of this plus 6, that is minus 6 on both sides. 2x plus 6 minus 6 equals to 11 minus 6. Plus 6 minus 6 get cancelled. Okay. 11. Sorry, it is not 11, it is 14. 2x plus 6, 14. Okay, so 14 minus 6. Fourteen minus 6 is now remove this multiplied by x from this. So take the opposite of this multiplied. So here we will divide 2x upon 2 equals to 8 upon 2. So to get cancelled. X equals to, okay, 2 1 are 2, 4 So x equals to 4. So what is the answer? X equals to 4 is the solution of the equation. Got it, beta? So I am giving you some fillers to solve. added to the product of 3. So here you have to write the algebraic expression. 6 added to the product of 3 and x. The value of and the third one, the product of 2 and x being added to the product of C and Y is expressed as so you have to write down how will you express this. Okay, so these 3 questions are homework for you children. So here we will stop. Bye bye beta.